What's up, people? Let's have a look at the next step that we're going to build, which is going to be this little game here. You can see I have to kill the monsters who fly in, and I lose all the time because they fly super fast. And yeah, so that's pretty much what we're going to build. It's like a Space Invaders game, more or less. And yeah, the monsters come from the right. We have the background sound, we have the sound of our laser, of our pistol shooting laser shots, and oh, I accidentally misclicked, and then oh, I won. So I killed everyone, it seems, while I was not looking at the screen. So yeah, this is pretty much what we're going to build. We're going to build our first actual game, because the other ones have just been yeah, they have been games, some of them, like the Twister app as example, but it hasn't used the engine that we're going to use here. So we're going to use the built-in engine of the iOS, or the built-in engine of Xcode 7. So let's go ahead and turn off the sound, because it starts to get a bit annoying. So let me stop that. So this is really something that we have to take care of, that this sound doesn't get annoying. But we have the basic idea of the game: shooting, then moving, and then monsters flying in all the time. And as soon as we kill them, we have a game over screen. So this is something where we have it's going to be a very basic game, teaching you the basics of scenes and the basics of sprites and all of these things. So let's go ahead and start off with the project in the next video.